Hello everyone, welcome to our SQL tutorial series. Today, we are diving into the right join clause in SQL in a powerful tool. What is the used right join in SQL? The right join specifically returns all rows from the right table and the matching rows from the left table. If there's no match, the result is null on the left side. Let's look at the basic syntax of this statement. Select column under list from the left table, right join right table on left table dot common under column equal right table dot common under column. Example, suppose we want to list all orders along with their corresponding employee details, even if some orders don't have associated employee record. Here's the query. Select order.order ID, order.order date, employees.employee ID, employees.first name, employees.last name, from employees right join order on, employees.employee ID equal orders.employee ID. Now, let's put into practice. I'm using the Northwind database from today's tutorial. Let's type the query that we are going to perform. Now, click the execute button. You'll notice that every order appears in the result. Where this is matching employee, you'll see null is value exactly as right join as designed to work. Here are some tips to remember. Always verify that your joining condition, the on clause, correctly matches related column. Right join is ideal when the right table is your main focus. Double check the result to ensure that no values appears where there are no matches. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and leave your questions or your comments below.